Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can order in Doordash app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, to order in Doordash app, all you need to do is simply launch open your Doordash app, which will then redirect you to its official homepage once it is completely launched. So once you're in the homepage, all you need to do is select a restaurant or the food category which you want to order. After you tap on it, you will have to now add in what you want to order from that particular restaurant and then tap on the add to cart option. Once this is done, you need to now tap on view cart, and after this step is also done, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply tap on the continue button. After tapping on the continue button, now select the method of payment, and once the payment method has been completely filled, simply hit the add card option and do follow the on-screen prompts given, which will then help you to order on your Doordash app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.